Hello friends, I am Akshay from NSE LED. Today we are giving you the introduction of P3 LED poster. So this is my P3 LED posters having size 576 mm by 1920 mm. So I am giving you the key features of LED posters. This poster is very slim, it's ultra slim. The thickness of the poster is only 45 mm and it is lightweight. The weight is only 35 kg. The poster screen has plug and play operation. In a zero configuration, we can play a video. Okay. In the poster screen, have the stand and the wheel at the back side, so we can move easily from one place to another place. It has the linkable function. This is a very good function in our poster screen. So we can link more than 2 to up to 10 posters together. If we link 6 posters at a one time, so we can make a 16:9 ratio. If we connect the 10 posters together, then we can get the HD performance. The important features of LED poster screen is ultra thin and the lightweight. NSE never tell. NSE always give a proof. This is a proof of ultra thin. If you see in a measurement, the thickness of the LED poster is only 45 mm. If you compare with the fingers, only 3 fingers in a width. And it's lightweight. The weight of one poster screen is only 35 kg. So the next feature is plug and play and zero configuration. Our poster screen work on the plug and play function and no need a configuration to every time. Just see a demo. You're just plugging the power cable. Switch on the button and just plug the pen drive to upload the data on the display. After the plug a pen drive, you can see a picture on the display. So this is a plug and play function. So next feature is a linkable function. In our poster screen have facility to link multiple posters together and make a big screen. Here in this case we are showing you how we can link posters together. The back side of display have the plug. If you plug, it's easy and we can make a big screen. If we connect the 6 screens together, so we can make a 16:9 ratio. And if we make these 10 screens, if we connect 10 screens together, then we can make a HD performance screen. The next feature is flexible installation. If you see in LED display, our LED display mounted on the stand for floor installation. With the stands have 2 wheels to move poster screen from one place to another place. It's very easy to move. We can mount this display on a wall with the help of the stand. So these are the various possibilities that we can use with our LED poster screen. If you see, this is a PC. We can connect our laptop or our computer by the LAN cable to operate this LED poster screen. These are the screen 1, screen 6. If you connect multiple screens together, that time we connect 1 to 1 by these ports. This is input ports, output ports. We have HDMI ports in our LED poster. In USB, we have the USB function in our LED poster. If you want to insert any data with our software, like a plug and play, that time we use the USB function. We have audio functions. We can connect speakers to our LED poster with the help of audio features. HDMI ports is used for the live. When we connect more than 6 posters together, that time we can connect the video processors with the help of HDMI. We can make a live projection on the display. These are the major parameters in LED poster. You see, screen size is 576 by 1920 mm. The resolution is 192 into 640 dots. Working voltage is 110 to 220 volt. Average power consumption is a 200 watt per piece and the weight is 35 kg. We have RHS, CE, CCC, ETL certification that indicates NSE is a professional manufacturer. We have the many clients in European countries. With this bracket, we can hang display on the wall. We can hang this display in any direction.